Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Mark. Today is a fun project. We're going to be drawing a balloon-shaped dog. So grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pen, and some colored markers. Now, let's get started. The top left of the page, I'm going to draw the ear shape. So we're going to draw this shape like this. Then over to the right, horizontally, we're going to draw like the mouth shape. So we're going to go over like this, and we're going to come back, and then we're going to tuck into the ear, just like this. Now this is going to be one end of the balloon, so this is where you do the tie off. So we're going to draw like this little shape like that. So that's kind of where you tie that off. On the other side of this is going to be another ear, so we're just going to draw a curve like that. Now we're going to come down towards the right, and we're going to draw the neck. So I'm going to do one line like this, and we're going to stop, and then we're going to draw another line in the other direction and stop like that. Now I'm going to draw a leg over here that's kind of towards the left of my page. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to come down and back up like that. Now I'm going to extend this line just a little, and I'm going to draw the other leg on the other side. So I'm going to come down and back up. Now for the body, we're going to draw it horizontally in this direction. So I'm going to come from the middle right here, and I'm going to go up and over and stop right about there. And then down over here, if we continue this shape, it will come down and we'll go down and stop right about there. Now I'm going to draw the tail over towards the top right of my page. And I'm going to leave the end. I'm not going to fill the end in. So we're going to start right about here, and I'm going to go down. I'm going to quickly curve this up, and then I'm going to come like this. And then this one over here is going to come like this, and we're going to stop. We're not going to join those together. Now this is the end of the balloon, and this is going to have like a little shape like that. It kind of looks like a tail for our dog. Now I'll go back over here, just complete that. Then the next step is I'm going to do the back leg in this direction from the top left to the bottom right. So we're going to come down at an angle, and I'm going to try to draw the same size as this leg over here on this side. So we'll draw a leg that's down here like that. Now you could see my body, it's pretty far away, so I'm just going to keep that going. And then I'm going to draw the other leg that's behind here. So we'll draw another curve like this, and then we'll come up like that. All right, and then the next thing I'll do is I'm gonna just draw a few highlights, and I'm just gonna draw a couple highlights here. So we'll just draw these like pill shapes like that. We'll do a small shape here and another one there. We can do one right up over here, another one on this shape, and do one on the neck. And then if you want to draw an eye, we can do that. So I'm going to draw a circular shape here, and this can be done using a marker, like the actual magician could probably use a marker. So I'll do a highlight, and then we'll go and just kind of fill this in. And then I'll draw the other eye over here, and then we'll fill this in with the highlight like that. And then if you want to put an eyebrow, we can do that. And then over here there'll be a little highlight, and we'll do a highlight over here for the mouth. All right, so the next thing left to do is just to color our dog-shaped balloon in. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing this balloon dog with me. I had a ton of fun. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every weekday just like these ones right here. So until the next one, I'll see you all then. Bye-bye.